Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to do picture movie magic tricks on Omegle. Before the video starts, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, you have to download and install OBS Studio. Also you need these things. First one, face movie video. I created it by myself. In the end of your video, you can choose any kind of video. So in the end of video, you have to take a screenshot of that video. I already have a screenshot. If you guys want to make your webcam better, you can use LUT. So now open OBS Studio. After that you can add new scene if you want. I have added new scene and I am going to add my video capture device. Okay, now my video capture device is connected. Now you can add LUT if you want. I'm going to add LUT. Click on video capture device and go to the filter and add LUT. After that, choose your path. Now you can see my webcam colors are changed. After that, you have to add image source and select a screenshot that you taken from the video. If you guys can print this screenshot, you can print it and apply to your wall. That will make your prank better. Now all you have to do is place your image to wall. You can see that image looks like a wall hanging picture. You can print it and hanging on the wall. So after that, you have to add media source. Now select face moving video. Now you have to place it on image position. Now click Start Virtual Camera on OBS and open your browser. Go to the browser settings and search camera. Now click on site setting. After that you can see camera is highlighted. Click on that and select OBS Virtual Camera. I have changed OBS camera name to Logitech Webcam. So you have to select OBS Virtual Camera. After that, go to the Omegle. Now I am going to show you how to do this magic trick. You have to pause your picture moving video. So after that, you are talking with strangers, you have to play your picture moving video like this. After video is finished, that image we are added to the OBS Studio is appeared. I recommended you to print your picture and hanging it on wall. It will make your prank better. If you guys learned something from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.